long weekend, unofficial kickoff to summer, baby. Maybe next year.
Welcome to another edition of Top 5 Tuesday, the big JD in the captain's chair. And yes, the May long weekend is now in the rearview mirror. It is that unofficial kickoff to summer, while also being a great weekend for playoff hockey, unless you're a fan of the Edmonton Oilers. Hockey aside, though, we got to focus on summertime because we know it's coming quick. And you know, a big part of summer is a trip to the beach. And that's what we're going to be focusing on. My top 5 beach songs in country music to get you ready for summer. At number 5, Let's Talk Dirty in Hawaiian, a classic from the late great John Prine. The Wild Jimbos did a great version of it in the 90s as well, but just a song that tells of the dream of a vacation. A guy who says he's leaving old Milwaukee and it's hello Waikiki, but getting to Hawaii he finds one very interesting thing. The local language, it has him perplexed, and he's hoping sooner or later to find one of those girls in the grass skirts and be able to talk dirty in Hawaiian. Beautiful song. John Prine, he's got it at number 5. At number 4, Two Pina Coladas from Garth Brooks, a great beach song and a fantastic summer sing-along, if ever there was one, because everybody knows all the words to this chorus. It's bring me 2 pina coladas, one for each hand. And what do you do with your troubles in this song? You bury them in the sand. That's what the beach is all about. That has it at number 4. At number 3, Pontoon by Little Big Town, a song about taking the boat on the water, but not to enjoy any water skiing or high-tempo activities, simply to relax. As they say, who said anything about skiing? Floating is all I want to do. Just out here in the open, motorboating. Pontoon. That's at number 3. At number 2, Knee Deep by the Zac Brown Band. When you talk about getting rid of your cares with a trip to the beach, this song says it perfectly. The opening line, I'm going to put the world away for a minute and pretend I don't live in it. And how do you do that, my friends? Going knee deep in the water somewhere. Knee Deep from the Zac Brown Band. Oh, it'll get you into that summertime relaxation mode. That's at number 2. At number 1, No Shoes, No Shirt, No Problem, Kenny Chesney, and what is pretty much an anthem for his entire life. The unopposed king of the beach song in country music. He sums it up perfectly. The sun, the sand, and a drink in my hand with no bottom. Kenny Chesney's No Shoes, No Shirt, No Problem, the number 1 beach song in country music. Here's hoping we can all hit the beach this summer and enjoy some sunshine. Until then, I'll be here with another Top 5 Tuesday next week. Have a great day.